SNS College of Technology, and we're pursuing our final year degree in Mechatronics. So this is our batch. So we are doing the project in automation cum workpiece inspection conveyor. So this is Bhagavan and myself Kali Chandru, and this is Harish Kumar, and this is Padmanathan.
And this is our final year project, inspection automatic conveyor. This inspects the workpiece which is roller in roller. So then it is reject with the ejecting unit, and then it's move on with the conveyor. After it will check with infrared sensor, and it will counted in counter unit. And the description is told by Mr. Padmanathan.
At first, this is a roller which is connected to a conveyor belt of nylon, and here is a solenoid valve which is 5x2, 2 inlet and 3 outlet valves, which is connected to a double acting cylinder which acts as the rejection unit, in which it rejects the workpieces. The sensor signal cuts, and this is an IR transmitter and this is an IR receiver, in which it transmits signals through the line in which the workpiece passes. And if the line does not cut, the workpiece passes, and it is a successful process. And if the line cuts the workpiece, it is rejected. And after the process, it moves towards, and here is another IR sensor which is used for counting, and here is a counter unit which counts the number of workpieces passes through it through a gap interval of 8 seconds.
The components used in our project, this is called as per gauge mechanism, which is helped to run this conveyor belt. In this belt, we use 2 rollers to roll this nylon belt, and it is also attached with 4 ball bearings, and we guys used 12 volt 7 ampere battery which is connected with switch to control this conveyor. And also we use the IR sensor and IR receiver units, and this is known as flow control valve, which is connected to double acting cylinder, which will remove the workpiece from the conveyor belt to the tray. Now I am going to tell about the buzzer, which is fixed for the workpiece passes through the counter. After the 10 counts, it will be buzzer, and the tray, it will stop.
After the rejection of the workpiece move towards to the counter. After that, the counter sends the number of verified workpiece passes through the IR sensor, and the LCD display shows the number of workpiece passes through the IR sensor. There is a reset button in the Arduino program for resetting the counting. And let us see the count in the display. Here we use the Arduino R3 for counting unit. The workpiece is moving towards the IR sensor and going to the pallet box. The time frequency for sensing the verified workpiece is 8 seconds. For every 8 seconds, the IR sensor counts the workpiece which comes over the conveyor belt. Now the number of 10 workpieces has been passed through the conveyor, and after the buzzer sounds, the conveyor stops, and the count starts from 0 and the cycle repeats. Let us see the working in the upcoming video.